Hello friends, today I am making a health drink, Karela coriander juice. Karelas, as we all know, are very good for health. We all should try to eat them as much as possible, especially those suffering from diabetes. It's really good for them. And coriander juice also reduces digestive disorders. So both the juices combined together make a really healthy drink. So let's see how to make it. To make the Karela and coriander juice, we just require Karela, lemon juice, coriander and salt. Wash the Karela very well and wipe it with a cloth because the surface is uneven and you will find lot of dust in between. Now cut the Karela and put it in the blender. Add the coriander leaves. We are adding about half a cup for one Karela. And salt to taste. Juice of half a lemon, that's about 2 tablespoons. Add 1 glass of water. This quantity makes 1 glass, 1 serving. Now we are going to blend this. Blend it well. Karela and coriander both are rich in iron. Coriander is highly beneficial in treating digestive disorders like indigestion, nausea, dysentery, hepatitis and colitis. So the combination of these juices is really great. It's a health drink. Now strain the juice. Look at the lovely green color. It looks so inviting, isn't it? Now we are going to taste it for salt. In case something is less, we can add it now. Mix the juice and taste a little bit. Juice seems to be okay, nothing to be added. Now we are going to fill it in the serving glass or a serving bottle. I am loving the color. It looks so inviting. Though it's a little bit bitter, but I think we should drink it often. Close the bottle and here the drink is ready for you. You must give it a try at least once. I'm sure you'll like it. So friends, here is the Karela coriander juice that we made. Such a lovely green color. Lot of people avoid drinking because they think it's very bitter. But believe me, it's not really that bad because we are adding lemon juice and salt that removes the bitterness to some extent. It's really not too bad. It's refreshing. You must try it. So friends, hope you are liking my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon below. By doing this, you will get notifications whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned. Thank you.